I have to say this has been the best INDIAWOOD that I've been to, and we have been coming here since 2006. Best in terms of visitors, certainly. We're here with 14 of our members from the United States. We have a big pavilion here, and the feedback from them is that it really has been an excellent show. In fact, I've just spoken to one of our members who said that this is the best trade show they've been to since some of the shows they went to 15 years ago in China. So it's an extremely, extremely positive feedback. Over the years that we've been coming to India, and we've been coming here for 21 years now, the woodworking industry, the furniture industry in India still remains largely in the unorganized sector, but it has changed a lot. We've seen a lot of growth. We've seen more modern machinery being purchased and used. This has been reflected in the type of visitors we've been receiving here at INDIAWOOD. The questions from the visitors are much more detailed. They're much more knowledgeable. People know now what to ask. They know what they're looking for. And for us here promoting American hardwoods, and for our members who are selling American hardwoods, the questions they are getting are really quite informed. So that's another reason why our members are extremely happy with this edition of INDIAWOOD.